Hello. Welcome back to GHANAFUNTUBE. Welcome back to GHANAFUNTUBE. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. The energy is very high. It's 2021, It's 2021. Today, we're just going to show you how my trip from Heathrow to Amsterdam. So, what I'm going to do is I want you to relax and watch this amazing vlog on the telly, on the phone, when you're relaxing. And you know what? I don't want to talk too much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. So, I'm just going to give you a quick brief about what this vlog is about. This is just about me traveling to Amsterdam to Accra. Then I managed to spend some few hours in the lounge and also on the duty free, and I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing vlog. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and then turn the notification on. This is what you do to support me as a person and help me to motivate me to do amazing vlog like the one you're watching right now. And if you do subscribe, it helped me grow my channel, it helped me motivate to produce amazing contents. So guys, and also please do comment if there's anything you'd like me to do. Feel free to let me know, and by just typing your comment. So I'll be using a KLM to travel to Amsterdam, and as you can see, we're taking off from Heathrow Airport. Amazing airport, busiest airport. And you know what, I don't want to talk too much. I will let you enjoy the ride. And guys, thank you very much. Thank you.